Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with All Things Barbecue, and today I want to show you the Wüsthof Universal Knife Sharpener. Keeping your knives sharp is key when cooking, and how often you use your knives is going to dictate how often you need to sharpen them. Now, for those of you that want to keep your knives sharp on a regular basis, on a budget, the Wüsthof Universal Knife Sharpener is the perfect tool for the job. The first thing you'll notice about this knife sharpener is that it has what looks like 4 stages. But what you're really looking at is a 14-degree standard stage for Wüsthof's P-Tech European-style knives and a 10-degree Asian stage for their Asian-style knives. There are 2 stages to each of these, a carbide coarse stage that will sharpen and set a new edge, and a ceramic fine stage which hones and polishes the knife. If you find that your knife is a little dull and not cutting as well as the day you got it, we recommend pulling it through the fine stage a few times to simply hone the edge. Depending on how long it's been since you maintained that edge, this will be all you need for daily use. As the edge continues to wear down with use, you may find that the fine stage is not getting it quite sharp enough. This is when you'll need to pull the knife through the coarse stage to reset the edge and then hone it again with the fine stage. Lastly, the fine stage can be used to sharpen scalloped or serrated knives, although you should never sharpen those knives on the coarse stage. If you have any questions about Wüsthof knives and accessories, please don't hesitate to get in contact with our team. And as always, you can purchase this knife sharpener and any of the other products you see on this channel at atbbq.com. All Things Barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.